wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So back with another video, and as you can see today I'm giving R.E.M Beauty another chance. If you guys remember, R.E.M, R.E.M Beauty is by Ariana Grande, and I tested out a couple things from their initial launch late 2021. Wasn't that impressed. I haven't heard much. To this day I never saw anyone else do a like a review video. Not saying that other people haven't, but you know, think about even when House Labs launched, of course when Fenty launched, Rare Beauty launched, like it was a thing, right? But I feel like this did not get the same type of hype, and then when you looked at the products you kind of understood why. But they did launch a product recently that I was actually intrigued in, so I'm going to test it out. So if you guys want to know more, let's go. So this is the Sweetener Concealer. This retails for $24 for 0.28 ounces. It comes in 60 shades. I bought this in the shade Deep 1N. Let's see details. R.E.M Beauty Sweetener Concealer applies with a smooth, lightweight veil and can be layered to customize coverage with a soft matte finish. Conceal, correct, highlight, brighten, contour, carve, touch up, or use all over face. Every pot is full of multitasking potential. Okay, see, that they had a straight up white and a straight up black shade to use for mixing and contouring. I see that. So Rich 10 is the blue black shade, and then Fair 1 is the true bright white for concealing, brightening, or mixing. Okay, R.E.M Beauty. All right, let me go ahead and blend in my foundation one more time. So open the product up. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, okay, it comes with a spatula because it is a pot concealer. That's what the packaging looks like. That's what the shade looks like. And I guess I'll just scoop some out. All right, it is smooth. Probably should have just dipped the actual sponge in. Oh. Okay. You could actually pretty much use the spatula. I might have put too much. Let me go ahead, blend this out. Okay, it's blending out easy. A little goes a long way. Okay. And yeah, y'all, this is what my face is gonna look like for the day. It is 12:16. I'm gonna go check in later so you can see how this held up on my face, and then give my thoughts on how it performed, how it wore throughout the day. I can already tell you right now, a little goes a long way. Okay, think Kevin. Y'all true. Think that. But so far, I like it. Okay, Ariana. Okay, ponytail. Okay, so it is 10:12. Yeah, it's been a long day, but this is my face looking like. More specifically, this is what the concealer is looking like. One of these days I remember to change that light. But okay, ponytail. Okay, like I said, this was the first thing that made me intrigued with the brand, and my thoughts on this. I like it. She's cute. I feel like you can sense, like, is she gonna be my new go-to every day? No, but I think if you prefer more of a like full coverage, because y'all saw, you know, a little bit with a little scooper went a long way. if you prefer more of a full coverage look, or if you want to break it out for like special occasions where you really want your face to be beat. Because don't get it twisted, by the end of the day, like your face is going to be beat when you put this on. I just wouldn't do this every day, just because, again, I'm at a point where like I don't want that much on my face. I could just use less, and I probably will just use less when I pull it out, but I wasn't about enough for it to be like my everyday type thing. It is smooth, it did go on smooth, it was easy to blend. Like I mentioned before when I mentioned Kevin, it does remind me of the Kevin Concealer. Not as thick and not as full coverage, but I feel like that would be like a close alternative to that one, because is that even available anymore? I know like it's not available at Sephora anymore. What else about this? I think the reason that I am not more impressed by this and why it won't be like an everyday type thing is because the only real con that I have about this is that I could feel it on my face. Like as the day went on, I could start feeling it on my face, and I don't like that. You know, I don't like feeling stuff on my face. That's more of like a me type thing. But I mean, I almost left like 12 hours ago. And again, it's still giving pretty much like I just left for the day, but Vanessa gonna do that regardless of what I put on top of her. The creasing, I gotta come back in. The creasing, I don't think it's that bad. Like sometimes I'll have actual product in there. Kind of like this one over here, but even this one's not that bad. I'm sorry, I have y'all all in my face. I'm sorry. Yeah, but like I said, I think that's more of like my personal reason, because I could feel this on my face. It is like a little heavier of a concealer, but other than that, I think it's a good product. I think, you know, out of the things that I've tried, this and the eyeliner is one that I use often. Those are things I would recommend from the brand. So if you want to hear from me, my thoughts, those are them. Those are the thoughts. And I think it's worth checking out. And I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you are thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and subscribe. Turn notification bells. And thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.